Woven bee craft. For this craft you will need cardboard oval shape, yellow wool, black wool, white card, scissors, black pen or felt tip and some tape. Get your scissors and your cardboard oval shape and cut tiny triangles all the way around the edge of your oval. Then get your wooden stick and secure it with tape onto one side of your oval shape. Get your yellow wool and start to wrap it around your cardboard bee. Now get your black wool and wrap it around to make your bee stripes. Secure in place with tape. Decorate your bumblebee wings with black felt tip. And tape your wings onto your stripy bumblebee body. Finish off with a couple of eye stickers. Now your woven bee is complete.